So you've decided what category of products you want to sell, you've classified which niche you're going to get into, but what kind of a product should you sell, right? Like the most important part is deciding what or which product to sell, okay? Over the years, I've sold many different products, okay? There are some key golden rules which I have created for selling the products, for finding the products which sell easily, okay? So watch this video till the end to find and get to know about all those golden rules as I've explained everything in detail, okay? From which suppliers to which vendors you have to take products from, what should be the quality, how much should be the quantity, variants, everything, which products you should not sell, everything in detail, okay? So watch this video till the end to get to know about the whole process of finding the best products to sell in any niche and any category, okay? So let's get started.
Okay guys, so in the previous lecture, we have seen how to find different products to different categories, how to choose your categories and niches, okay? How to source products from Amazon, Aliexpress, how to categorize which products to sell and which product categories to sell, okay? But at the end, in every single category, there are so many products that it's almost overwhelming, okay? So this is where my golden rules come in play, okay? Over the years, I've dropshipped many products and I have some key rules by which you can learn that exactly which products sell on Shopify really fast, okay? So rules are like the price, okay? This is the key point in the selling any product online is the price of the product, okay? Like what we want to do is we want to buy the product for $4 or less, okay? On Aliexpress, on Alibaba. You can see the sort by section on the top left or right section. From that, just sort by price is low to high, the maximum price for the product for a single piece, okay? We're not talking about, let's say, bulk, okay? It's in some categories you can see in Aliexpress and Alibaba that the product is from $3.99 to $7.99, okay? But we want the price of one single product, okay? We are not buying for with bulk, okay? So the price of the product should be $4 so that we can mark it up 4 to 5 times to make it profit, okay? So as I already told you, we are going to mark it up and sell the product at $15 to $20, okay? Because see, the $15 to $20, this is the range for impulse purchases, okay? Like we want to, because see, we want to make profit, so if we buy the product for less than $4 and sell it for $15 to $20, it gives us a margin of, let's say, 15 to $10 to $15, okay? And we have to remember that we are going to spend our money on advertisement, marketing of the product too, okay? Then the Shopify subscription, everything should be covered in those price. Then after that, the money which is left, that's our profit, okay? So what are impulse purchases? See, impulse purchases are like $15 to $20. If someone likes a product, let's say they see your advertisement, marketing campaign, anything, and they click on that advertisement and go to your website, and now they are seeing your product, and if they like that product and it is like for $15 to $20, so they will just buy it, okay? Like, because it will be like an impulse decision, okay? Let's just buy this product, okay? But let's say you have a product which is like $500, okay? Even if a person likes that product, he will go to different websites, compare the products, research about what kind of products other sites offer and everything, okay? So that's a whole different buying process for like marked up products that's for $100, $200, anything, okay? But $15 to $20, when someone is buying a $15 to $20, it's more of like an impulse purchase. Oh, I see the advertisement, I like the product, it's only $15 to $20, so yeah, I can buy it, okay? So this is how you're gonna choose the products which are less than $4 and sell them for $15 to $20 because like they're really, really easy to sell, okay? Then the next factor is that your product should not be too heavy, okay? Because if the product is too heavy, it will require more, it will require, you know, like the weight, because of the weight, because you are shipping the products from one country to another, from China to America, or any other country which you are selling. So if your product is heavy, the cargo cost and the shipping cost will be much more higher, okay? We want every single cost to be less, okay? So the product should definitely not be heavy. It should not be fragile, okay? Like if you are, let's say, selling a glass-made product, okay? So it can break, okay, or any other fragile product. We don't want our products to get to the customers broken, okay, because that will result in, the returns, okay, like out of, like, say if you like sell 10 products and 5 are like return, you have to pay for the shipping charges of the return, okay, and then if, because you are not like Amazon, okay, sometimes if the product is like broken and the person returns that product, they don't buy that product the next time, okay, so the product should not be fragile, okay. Third rule, you have to make sure that the product can't be found at Walmart. In other words, you can't find it easily elsewhere, okay. See, by Walmart, we all know Walmart is a huge place, okay. There are like all kinds of different kinds of products, okay. But we don't want to sell products which are easily available to people, okay. Let's say they see the ad of product on our advertisement on, let's say, Facebook, Google, any other site, and they like the product. Then they are like, oh, then why should I order if I can just go to Walmart and buy this product, okay? There should be some uniqueness to your product, okay? If, let's say, out of 20 advertisements, 10 are advertising about the same product, it means people can buy that product from all of those sites, okay? So there's not so uniqueness in those products, okay? See, we have to sell the products which are already established in established markets, but there should be some uniqueness to that product too, okay? Don't sell the product which are easily available to your customers, okay? Never sell those products. Unique, you can find more unique products on Amazon, on Aliexpress and Alibaba, okay? Then, as I have always said in the previous lecture too, always sell a problem, always sell a product which is solving a problem or caters passion, okay? Like a passion towards, you can sell like musical products which, because people are like passionate about music, okay? Accessories related to guitars, guitar picks, anything like that. Or the products which are like solving a problem, let's say kitchen items, like different kinds of choppers, knives, storage utensils, okay? Different kinds of, because see, in Alibaba and AliExpress, there are so many different gadgets which are launched like on a daily basis, which are like for like different kind of cutting equipment, okay, different kind of a mixer, okay, so you can sell all of those products, okay, but always sell a product which solves the problem or caters the passion, okay, because then by, if you do that and the product is in the impulse purchase price range, it will be really easy for the person to buy the product, okay. As I have always said, we don't want the person to put the product in add to cart, okay. They should click on the buy now button, okay, every time, okay. Then, see, we are selling the product, we are giving advertisement, but at the end, it's all about shipping, okay? When the supplier, okay? Use the feedback of the supplier. You can find the feedback of the supplier on AliExpress, Alibaba, okay? Always buy the products, as we are like newbies, always buy the product from trusted suppliers, okay? Which have a good feedback. Before ordering any product, even if it's only one quantity, look at the feedback of the supplier, that how many products he has sell, how many of those products were on time, okay, how many were delayed and everything, okay, study about the supplier. The feedback of the supplier should be good, okay. Then always sell a product which has plenty of stock, okay, because if the products which we are selling started selling out like crazy, so we want more products, okay. If there is only 200, let's say if there is only 50 stock of that product, of inventory of that product from the supplier, so you can only sell 50 units, assuming if no one else is buying that product, okay. So we don't want that, okay. We want suppliers which can produce products rapidly, and let's say at least 300 to 400 units of that product, okay. Because after that, let's say you see the product is selling like crazy, so after 100 to, if you have already done like 100 orders and you are seeing like, oh, this product is capable to do 2, 3, 400 more, you can tell the supplier that, yeah, many more orders are going to come, so please can you make find, if he's a wholesaler, can you find more stock, or if he's a manufacturer, can make more stock for me, okay. And the shipping, okay. See, there are plenty of shipping available on Alibaba, okay, but the trusted shippings are like the AliExpress standard shipping and the e-packet, okay. I personally prefer the e-packet, but AliExpress standard shipping, they're all the same, okay? Because these are the trusted suppliers for the shipping, okay? Because the others shipping companies, they more of the time they delay the product shipping, okay? They take 1 month and more, and if they are writing that the product will be delivered in 1 month, it could even take 2 months, okay? But e-packet and AliExpress, see, e-packet and AliExpress, their prices are a little bit higher, okay? But the shipping time, delivery time, okay, the tracking, all of this, all of those things are better than any other suppliers, okay? So always concentrate on that, okay? Then avoid all branded products, okay? Because see the products related to, let's say, Harry Potter or like Nike, like branded products, they are easy to sell, okay? You can find like replica products of those on AliExpress or even like original products, okay? But we don't want to sell those products, okay? Because for selling those products, we need like, it could be like they can make a copyright claim, and we need certain licenses from all of those companies to sell branded products, okay? I'm not only telling about like Harry Potter or Nike, any branded product which is product of a different company, we don't want to sell those products, okay? We only want to sell those products which don't have a brand, okay? See, sometimes on like Alibaba, AliExpress, the supplier makes his own brand, gives a name, okay, which is like a brand, okay? Let's say Daniels, okay? But Daniels, is Daniels a brand? Who knows, okay? So what you want to do, let's say they are selling like cufflinks, okay, and they give it a name, let's say XYZ company, the name of the company is XYZ, but they are selling that product so that people will think, oh, it's a company based branded product, so it will be good, okay? So what you want to do is type that name on Google and search that is that company, if that company has a website, is it registered or not, okay? And if you see that, oh, it's not any company, the supplier is just given a random name, you can sell that product, okay? The supplier has given it a name, you can sell that product easily, okay? So find those products which are not branded products, okay? Then high quality images, okay? See, people say that the description of the product should be great, you should put bullet points, bold letters, you should explain this, you should explain this product in this way. But the main the main key factor by which your product sells, okay? See, the prices, everything is a different thing. What the person is seeing about your product, description are just words, okay? The physical, because we are selling a physical product, it's not a digital product. So the physical, the closest thing that the person is seeing to the product are the images of the products, okay? So the images of the product should be high quality, okay? Every image should be HD, okay? I will show you in the next lecture how you can find high quality images on AliExpress and Alibaba, okay? So always sell the products with high quality images, okay? No matter how good your product is, how good the description is, you have reduced a price to like significantly, like 50% off or anything. If the product images are not good, if the product images are not of good quality, the product is not going to sell, it's not going to convert, it's not going to make you any profit, okay? And whenever you are choosing high quality images, don't add the images with watermarks, okay? Sometimes on Alibaba, AliExpress, you will get HD images, but they will have alibaba.com watermark or anything, okay? We don't want the images with any kind of watermarks, okay? So always remember these, okay? And then at the last, trigger emotions to impulsively buy products. This is the biggest secret, okay? Trigger the emotions of people to impulsively buy products, okay? We want the people to buy the products impulsively, okay? We are not gonna make anything like retargeting campaigns or anything like that. Yeah, we can make and it converts better, okay? We will do that too. But what we are gonna focus that if the person sees our ad and they go to our website, in one go, in an instant, they buy that product if they are interested in that product, okay? We are triggering the impulse buying nature of the people, okay? We want the people to buy the product impulsively, so for that we have to trigger emotions, okay? Like we are selling like dog related products, so the advertisement should be like triggering an emotion, like not only don't show the dog, okay? Show the owner of the dog playing with the dog with the necklace and anything like that, Okay, it depends on what kind of a product you are selling. Okay, so trigger emotions to impulsively buy products. Okay, so these are the big secrets, the golden rules of finding the perfect product to sell on Shopify, dropshipping, okay, and from Aliexpress, Alibaba, or any other site. Okay, every time you are finding a product, remember these. Okay, the product cost should be below $4 for a single unit. I'm not telling about the bulk price. Mark up the price to $15 to $20. The product should not be heavy, it should not be fragile, and it should have some uniqueness. It should not be found in any store, any general store or Walmart like that. Okay, the product should solve a particular problem or caters to a passion. Okay, the supplier, which is supplying the product, the feedback of the supplier should be good. The supplier should have plenty of stock. Then the shipping services should be e-packet, Aliexpress standard shipping only. Okay, avoid all the branded products. Use only high quality images with no watermarks, and always trigger emotion so that people could impulsively buy your product. Okay.
I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products to advertising to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.